Hello everyone. Question is, a SysOps administrator must ensure that company's Amazon EC2 instances auto-scale as expected. The SysOps administrator configures an Amazon EC2 auto-scaling lifecycle hook to send an event to Amazon Event Bridge Amazon CloudWatch events, which then invokes an AWS Lambda function to configure the EC2 distances. When the configuration is complete, the Lambda function calls the complete lifecycle action event to put the EC2 instances into service. In testing, the SysOps administrator discovers that the Lambda function is not invoked when the EC2 instances autoscale. What should the SysOps administrator do to resolve this issue? Option A. Add a permission to the Lambda function so that it can be invoked by the event bridge, that is CloudWatch events rule. Option B. Change the lifecycle hook action onto continue if the lifecycle hook experiences a dash timeout. Option C. Configure a retry policy in the event bridge, that is CloudWatch events rule, to retry the Lambda function invocation upon failure. Option D. Update the Lambda function execution rule so that this has permission to call the complete lifecycle action event. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company wants to create an automated solution for all accounts managed by AWS organizations to detect any worry groups that URL of this as the source address for inbound traffic. The company also wants to automatically remediate any non-compliant security groups by restricting access to a specific CIDR block corresponds with the company's intranet. Option A. Create an AWS config rule to detect non-compliant security groups. Set up automatic remediation to change this source address to the approved CIDK block. Option B. Create an IAM policy to deny the creation of security groups that have this source as the source address. Attach this IAM policy to every user in the company. Option C. Create an AWS Lambda function to inspect now and existing security groups checks for a non-compliant of this source address and change the source address to the approved CIDR block. Option D. Create a service control policy SCP for the organizational unit OU to deny the creation of security groups that have this source address. Set up automatic remediation to change this source address to the approved CIDR block. Correct answer is option A. Question is, update an existing AWS cloud formation stack. If needed, a copy to the CloudFormation templates available in an Amazon SB bucket named CloudFormation bucket. First, use the US East to region for all resources. Second, unless specified below, use the default configuration settings. Third, update the Amazon EQ instance named dev instance by making the following changes to the stack named this. Now the options are within these numbers. Option A. Change the EC2 instance type US East T2.nano. Option B. Allow SSH to connect to the EC2 instance. Format the IP address range to this. C. Replace the instance profile IAM role with the IAM role 3. Fourth point is deploy the changes by updating the stack using the CFS CF service R01E role. Fifth point is edit the stack options to prevent accidental deletion. Sixth is using the output from the stack, enter the value of the prod instance ID in the text box below. Now see the answer. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.